Hello guys, welcome back. I've got another full face beat for you, so let's just get into this tutorial. So I'm first using the Plouise base as always in the shade 8, and I'm just buffing this all over my lid, and I'm using a Peaches and Cream PC10 brush to do this.
See the blessings all around, never lose. All we do is win for the king, look us ballin'. Always up to the top and never falling. Never falling. Father, let your blessings follow me all around. Can't imagine life without you. Yes, your love is all around.
So now I'm going in with the So Jaded palette by Kathleen and Colourpop, and I'm using the color Sapphire, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm just blending this in my outer corner of my eye.
God, it's all I need. See my team, yeah, we're cruising.
So to blend out that first shade, I'm using the shade Turquoise, and I'm taking my Unicorn Cosmetics brush, and it's a class of 85 set. It doesn't actually have a name on it, and I'm just blending out that first shade with this shade.
Blessings follow me, blessings follow me.
So I'm just going back in with that first shade just to deepen up the color and replace any color that has actually been lost. So now I'm going in with the shade Emerald, and I'm using a Coastal Scents BRC N51 brush, and I'm just patting this all over my lid. I'm going in with the shade Aquamarine. I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just patting this in the inner part of my eye.
But they want us to lose it, but we can't lose when we're free. Blessings follow me, blessings follow me.
Time to add some glitter. Now I'm using the shade Opal, and I'm taking the same brush, the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just patting it on top of that blend that I did before. So I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner, and I'm using a Coastal Scents BRCS17 brush, and I'm just creating a liner. Face time. So to prime, I'm taking the NYX Shine Killer Primer, and I'm buffing this into my skin. I'm using Real Techniques stippling brush to do this. And then I'm going to go in my Plouise base just to clean up and just to get rid of my dark circles under my eyes, and I'm just going to clean up the shadow also. The brush I'm using is a Master Stroke Filbert brush in the number 6.
Follow me, blessings follow me. See my team, yeah, we cruising. See the blessings all around, never lose. All we do is win for the king, look us ballin'. Always up to the top and never
Foundation time. So I'm using the Juvias Place shade sticks, and these are really multi-purpose sticks. I'm taking the shades Benin and Zambia because I like to blend the two colors together, because one's a bit too red and the other one's a bit too light possibly, but more of a yellow undertone. That's why I mixed the two together. But these are really good, really great coverage, really just melts into the skin.
see my team, yeah, we're cruising. 10 toes without no streets, but they want us to lose it. But we can't lose when we're free. Blessings follow me.
So now I'm going to highlight and contour with the shades Guinea and Congo. That's why I said these are multi-purpose, because you can use them to highlight, as foundation, as a contour, and they're creamy and just really nice on the skin.
Of course, blessings follow me, blessings follow me. My old ways were haunting me, but Jesus is calling me. He's calling, and you know, no, I ain't stalling. I put my God first like the morning, and down on my knees where I'm asking. See my team, yeah, we're cruising.
Now I have a bit of confession. Sorry guys, I can't actually remember the brushes I used on my face, but it will be in the description box once I look for them and find them. I'm just now editing this video, even though I did this look like in December. Oh, sorry.
Blessings follow me, blessings follow me. My team, yeah, we're cruising. 10 toes were down on streets, but they want us to lose it. But we can't lose when we're free. Blessings follow me, blessings follow me. Blessings follow me, blessings follow me.
So I just done a bit of baking with the Benin Sienna powder, and I'm just brushing off the excess, and then I'm gonna set my contour with the Morphe Brontour in the shade Showmance.
My team, yeah, we cruise. See the blessings all around, never lose. All we do is win for the king, look us ballin'. Always up to the top and never falling. Never falling. Father, let your blessings.
Now I'm using the Coastal Scents Blush Essentials, and I'm going in with this shade here. And I'm using blusher. And I know this is my MAC brush, but again, I can't remember the number of it. It's in the description box, guys. Don't worry. My Lagos Lashes by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Love, love, love. So I'm going in with the shade Period, and I'm using that in the inner corner of my eye. So this is the Be Perfect Glamour Glitter Liquid eyeshadows, and I'm just using this underneath my waterline. And I'm going in with the NYX Espresso Lip Liner, and then I'm going to be using Ruby Kiss Honey Bun and Dune together. And then I'm done. Top it off with gloss, and then I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I missed a bit of powder on my nose. Oh well. Bye guys.
I put my God first like the money, and down on my knees where I'm asking. See my team, yeah, we're cruising. 10 toes, we're down on the streets, but they want us to lose it.